Hi beautiful people, I hope you all are very fine, and my name is Ashish Kamal, and today I will talk about how to align blogging, social media and affiliate efforts for a cohesive brand strategy. So first of all, I want to make it very clear for everyone that whether you are a businessman or a budding entrepreneur, irrespective of having small or big business brand, if you want your brand to be successful, to flourish, to become lucrative, stand out consistently, so you have to do one thing which is uncompromising, and that is called marketing, because marketing at present is paramount without any question. And thanks to the present time, because at present we do have so many marketing platforms to increase brand awareness, to build trust, and also to attract customers to buy your products and services. So it's very clear now, you have to start blogging, use social media and also affiliate platforms, and this is very important that you must align each one of them together simultaneously, so that you can reach out to your niche customer, and also you can educate them about your brand, and also you can entice them to buy your products and services. So first of all, let me talk about the blogging. So when you start your business, you have to start your website, and you have to start writing very catchy blog about your products and services. And also you can use third-party websites, such as we have Blogger, we have a Quora, so you can also write very engrossing blog to get the attentions of your niche customers. So this is very important. And now let me talk about the social media platforms, which are very important. And at present we have very famous YouTube, and we also have Facebook, we have also Instagram, we also have TikTok. So what you can do is that you can create your content, very informative videos. You have to explain in your videos how your products or services are different from your competitors, how it can solve your customers' problems, how it will be useful for your customers. So if you add all these points, so that it can bring immediate attention, your message can reach out to wider and very diverse population across the globe. So this is very good. And now last but not the least, how I can forget the affiliate marketing? Well, for that you have to find very famous person or very popular organization. You have to do tie-up with them, and with their brand value in the market, this can add immediate recognition to your products and services, so they can get paid the commission on the purchase of your each product and services. So that's how you both can make money. You can get the immediate popularity about your products and services. So this is very useful. So eventually I think you have understood now that you have to align all these social media marketing platforms together. You have to post your blog, your content, your videos. At the same time, everything has to go hand in hand on all these platforms, and you will surely see the positive result slowly and steadily. And also your one blog, your one video, your one content can catapult your business into huge success overnight, because you never know which social media or marketing platform can bring faster success to your products and bring attention to your product as well. So in a nutshell, I think I've explained you everything. So don't waste time, start now. And with this cohesive brand strategy, this will bring faster fruitful results to your efforts, and nothing will go in vain. Trust me, if you follow my advice, if you do everything whatever I'm explaining you, so your brand will be successful sooner or later. So thank you so much for your time. Do the needful. Best of luck.